I'm so fancy. I have a Valentino lipstick. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Adiha Suhail and today we'll be opening a few items that I got from Sephora, kind of like my birthday present you can say. So let's get into this. One very nice thing about Sephora is that it gives really nice presents to its Beauty Insider members. So every year during our birthday month we get to pick from a few birthday gift sets from very nice brands. So this year the choice items for birthday gift sets are this makeup set by Ilia. This includes a very nice mascara that alone retails for $13 I guess, and this cream blush stick. I've been meaning to try cream blushes on a stick for a very long time now, but I didn't like this particular shade, so I had to pass this one. Secondly, we have this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Skin Care birthday gift set. This includes a pore refining toner and dew drops, I think. I really want to try this brand Glow Recipe someday, but as for now, I didn't need another toner and I didn't know how and when to use this dew drops, so I had to pass this one as well. Then we have this birthday gift set from Away called the Away of Life. It includes a shampoo, a leave-in conditioner, a body wash, and a tiny miniature sample of a fragrance. I really like this set. I almost got this one. I chose it, I put it in my cart. It stayed there for a few days, but then I saw something really interesting in its rewards bazaar. So instead of choosing any of these kits, I got 250 points as a birthday gift from Sephora. So in order to redeem the points, I had to buy something from the Sephora website. So I got this watermelon eye mask for under $4. It's efficient. It instantly hydrates the skin, brightens eye contour, and gives our eyes more radiant look that feels more comfortable. So in order to be able to redeem those points at the Sephora website, I had to buy another item. So I got this liquid lipstick or clear lip mousse in the shade Tulip or O3. It seems like a nice shade, so let's try it out. This lipstick was also not too expensive. It was under $8 and it seems like a really pretty shade. It also wears very nicely and lasts a long time. So let's get to the interesting part. So from the points that I got, the first item I got from the rewards bazaar is this Yo Glow enzyme scrub from Wishful. This is a very nice product. I haven't used any scrub in a long time because of my dry skin, and also I don't like to use physical exfoliators on my skin, but I thought now it's time that we try something new. So I'm really excited to try this product out. And now let's come to the best part. The reason I got points instead of claiming any of the birthday gift sets was this Valentino lipstick that I saw on the rewards bazaar. It's in a very nice shade 100R, which is Roman Grace. So let's try this out. Oh, it glides so nicely on the lips. It feels like putting butter on your lips. I'm sorry it looks like this because I couldn't wait. Ever since the day it arrived, I have been using it almost every single day. So these are all the items that I had for you today. I hope you like this video. If you are a Beauty Insider members, I would love to know what you guys chose for your birthday gift, and I would suggest you to check the rewards bazaar as well. You might as well get a very nice deal. So in order to watch more videos related to makeup and subscription boxes, please stay tuned. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.